Hello everybody, Rafi here, and today is my first video of me playing Minecraft. Anyway, it's gonna be a how-to video, and in the how-to video, we're gonna be learning how to make a security door, and it works, and because it has its own code. See? Voila. Anyway, wait now. Ah! Okay, this is how it works. Okay, yeah, we saw how it works. So we're gonna be making it, and this is what it looks like in the inside. And we're gonna be making the security door in Java Edition Minecraft. Right over here. Yeah, right over here. Let's do it. Let's first make the ground for it. Okay. Now, let's make that part. Okay, so now that. And there's the door. Okay, so let's get started. So, I want the first part of the code to be here. That one, yeah. So I put a piston there. Then I put a block of redstone. Then I put another sticky piston there. And then, then you want to put a slime block. after you put your slime block, you want to put your block of redstone there. And now you want to put okay. You want to put your sticky piston there, and then another piston there, because when the sticky piston pushes, then you'll be able to activate the second part of your code, which will activate that. And now, after that, we're almost done. We just want to put like that. You want to put your slime block there, and there your block of redstone, and then your block of redstone, and now let's just cover it. Like that. So now let's see. It works! And look, if you put in the wrong code, like let's just say you put in this code, nope, it doesn't work. But you put in this code, nope, it doesn't work. But if you put in the right code, which is this code, then it works. So I really hope you enjoy learning how to make a security door that works. And bye! And before I really say bye, please leave your comments about this video. Please subscribe and please leave it a like. And really,